Excuses explain failure. Action creates results. 8 affirmations for taking ownership. Let's start. I am accountable. I am accountable. I can take responsibility. I can take responsibility. I act without excuses. I act without excuses. People see my follow-through. People see my follow-through. Every day, I make fewer excuses. Every day, I make fewer excuses. Today, I just do it. Today, I just do it. I am proactive. I am proactive. I find ways forward. I find ways forward. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.